What is the decoration like in your home?
Decoration light.
Yeah, what is the decoration like in your home? The decor, home decor, how is that?
Uh, I made very beautiful decoration in my home because I buy so many beautiful lights from online apps according to my view. So I arrange all the rooms in very well manner.
All right. The first thing is tenses. I arrange is okay, but somewhere you had to use past tense. Even there, you are using present tense. So please focus there. And by the way, what is the decoration like in your home? Simple. In my home, we have a traditional decoration. Like in a traditional Pakistani house, in the drawing room, there are certain sofas and coffee tables. So in my house, I have the same type of decoration. So to answer your question, I would say my home has the same traditional and simple decoration. That's it. Okay, let's go on.
What kind of decorations do you prefer?
Normally in my home we have traditional
Listen,
decoration.
listen. Now he's asking about your preference. What kind of decoration do you prefer? I prefer Western style decoration, something like that. Or I prefer simple decoration, and then elaborate that. Okay, please answer again. What kind of decoration do you prefer?
Um I prefer the decoration from the west side because it makes me it feels me more good if I decorate in a western style because in during watching movies I recognize so many western cultures, so as per my preference I believe western traditions are very
Good,
good for
good.
me.
Now it's better. English nickel reabide. Okay, gradually. Thank you. Good job.